Need a copy of your past Amex statement for taxes, a loan, or your records? If you can't find the download button, you're not alone. Today, we're viewing and downloading your Amex statements online. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Amex keeps digital copies of your statements for at least the last 7 years, and accessing them is straightforward. Step 1. Go to the Statements section. Log into your online account and navigate to Statements and Activity, Billing, or Documents. You'll see a list of your past statements, organized by year and month. Step 2. View or download. Click on any statement to view it in your browser. To download it, look for a Download PDF or Print button. You can save it to your computer for permanent storage. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: download and archive your year-end summary. At the end of the year, be sure to download the year-end summary document. This is specially formatted for tax purposes and can be much easier to use than 12 individual monthly statements when categorizing business or deductible expenses. So, just like that, you have permanent access to your financial records. Downloading statements regularly goes a long way in being prepared for any financial review or application. Now I'm curious, how far back do you keep your old credit card statements? A year, 7 years, or indefinitely? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.